new normal. People are fed up with lockdowns and restrictions. It has been impacting the lives and livelihood besides the global economy. It's almost 1.5 years of the pandemic and intermittent controls. Now we need to think of some alternatives. The best option is to live with the virus. This has been the new normal in Singapore. The Singapore has recently unveiled a new roadmap to live with COVID-19. This small nation with 65 lakh population is stepping into a new era. For them, COVID-19 is no more an epidemic. They decided to consider COVID-19 as an endemic like any other viral disease like avian flu. The country is gradually getting out of controls. They would ease up restrictions and relax on formalities. No more daily count of COVID-19 or quarantine and other protocols like contact tracing. There would only be monitoring and treatment including ICU interventions. Free travel within and limited restriction for foreign travel. In short, Singapore is gearing up to living with COVID-19. They decided to go with new normal as variants after variants emerge of coronavirus. They feel lots of variants may pop out in future also. But no nation can bear the economic turmoil anymore. Hence, Singapore is taking things in a different perspective. Singapore would intensify mass vaccinations. The country might finish first dose to all by August end. They feel vaccines are highly effective in reducing risk of infection and transmission. That apart, vaccination helps prevent severity and mortality. Now taking cue from Singapore, many nations may follow suit. As more and more nations welcome the new normal, things would return to normalcy in several countries soon. The rest of the countries too must think of living with the virus, it's being pointed out. It has been long that stringent measures against virus spread were in place. However, there has been no respite in the number of patients. In fact, it has been on a wave-like pattern up and down in many nations. All this indicate that the epidemic will continue to get infected. Studies by the World Health Organization says infection in more than half the world's population will be asymptomatic. Right or wrong, people will have to move forward with their activities. Businesses and industries across the globe is in a suspended animation for months. Now the people are up in arms against what according to them is illogical restriction. The permission to open shops and establishments on a few days only has attracted severe criticism from all quarters. Associations are staging protests in various places and it has been really intense in certain areas. In Kozhikode, one of the business hubs of Kerala in India, the businessmen is trying to open their establishments and were arrested and removed by the police. But the traders and businessmen are steadfast on change in the norms. It's a fact that the state cannot afford to go like this, says the traders. Cannot lock everything down and control the epidemic. This would destroy the livelihood of good number of people. Hence, it is high time that all consider this Singapore model. Let people live with the corona and not resist the virus. Adopt the new normal.
സമാനമായ റിപ്പോർട്ടുകൾക്കും അവലോകനങ്ങൾക്കും അഭിമുഖങ്ങൾക്കുമായി ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ അമർത്തി ഓൾ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക.